Tara. Tara. Tara, tara. Sige.
I used to think the sky was made of blue flowers, cuz used to have to stir the Kool-Aid for hours. Blood, these white lines rule the world, that's a power drug. Same way the government blew the towers up. Guess that's what I get for living in America, where we just trying to find a story for our character. Trying to fuck a French model on a terrace, but they don't let American werewolves in Paris, bruh. These people telling me I sound like the old yay. See, I don't even change the pace on a slow day. I'm 2 seconds away from going OJ. Mama said I need to call my ex, disobey. Somebody gon' get that and lose their mind. The police need rap music to boost their crime. Pull you over for a light, violate your rights. But niggas don't ask shit, they just do their time. Who you gon' be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside. If you lose me, where the hell you gon' go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gon' know? Who you gon' be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside. If you lose me, where the hell you gon' go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gon' know? You choose, live or die. Politicians getting high on their own supply. We the truest, it's the US, the land where American dreams go to die. I'm on some Draymond shit, no Tayshaun Prince killing beats every night. Graveyard shift, played the nice guy in the past and they tried to use me. Had to switch the game up and go buying the Doochie. Niggas sleeping on the kid who's supplying the roofies, huh? Young Max ain't got time for goofies, huh? Groups of groupies can't ease the pain that's running through me. Just a whole bunch of zombies like Call of Duty. How you tune in when the world is loony? How you shine when the times is gloomy, huh? You don't like being judged and sue me. Who you gon' be when the world gets fried? Listen to your friend, it's the voice inside. If you lose me, where the hell you gon' go? Take somebody's life, who the hell gon' know? You know where we been, face down in the mud. Keep it real, we've always liked to taste the blood. So when you done being nice and things go south, keep in mind, always time to let the demons out.